Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video with Crypto Ninjas. My name is Dale, and this video we will be looking at KernelDAO. KernelDAO was announced to be the fourth project on the Binance Megadrop. It's been quite a while since we have another one on this thing, so it's going to be quite interesting. This video I'll show you what KernelDAO is, giving you a brief review and overview of all of its ecosystem products and how it works. Next thing, we're going to be looking at its tokenomics as well as the launching on Binance Megadrop, how to participate. And the final thing, as always, the most exciting thing is looking at the price prediction of Kernel token after on Binance. Let's go. But before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to Crypto Ninjas and follow all of our socials. Use our referral link for Binance Megadrop for 20% off option trading fees for life. Thank you very much. So first of all, what is KernelDAO? Well, this is the official website of KernelDAO. Make sure to check it out. So KernelDAO is a leading restaking protocol with three key products called Kernel, the restaking on BNBChain, this one right here, KELP liquid restaking, very famous when it comes to Ethereum restaking, one of the top protocols, right? And finally is GAIN, the automated rewards farming. So the first product from KernelDAO is going to be Kernel, which is shared security protocol on Binance Smart Chain. You can restake a BNB, Bitcoin, and other yield-bearing tokens and earn rewards. What you would get is a growing ecosystem of 25 plus protocols, 20 plus middleware, 5 plus liquid restaking protocols, and Binance launch pool rewards for restaked BNB via ASBNB. Right now, the TVL of Kernel on BNBChain is about $400 million. The partners in this specific product is AutoLayer, YieldNest, Router, Bridge, Bedrock, and Asterisk. The next product they have is called KELP, all right? The liquid restaking protocol on Ethereum, very famous. Earn rewards on Ethereum. What you would get is you can earn additional yields across 50 plus DeFi platform, including Aave, Morpho, Compound, Fluid, Balancer, etc. Right? You can also restake your assets from 10 plus layer 2s and save on gas fee. The TVL is about $1.2 billion. Amazing, right? So the partners is obviously Aave, Uniswap, OKX as well, Compound, Pendle, Balancer, and even more than that. And the final product is GAIN, automated vaults on Ethereum. No lockup, no minimum required. Access multiple airdrops with airdrop GAIN vaults, AG Ethereum, Haggis rewards on Ethereum with high growth vault, AG Ethereum, and earn additional rewards across Pendle, Balancer, Morpho with a TVL of about $133 million, right? The partners are Mofo, Elixir, Ultra, Uphead, and Aave. In total, combined KELP, KernelDAO has about approximately like $2 billion in TVL, which is an insane amount of number. So let's look at how individual products work. All right. So first of all, let's look at Kernel right here. So as you can see, Kernel is quite a new product from KernelDAO because I believe at the end of 2024, which is on November 21st, they announced that they want to expand the ecosystem of KernelDAO. Previously, they were mainly on Ethereum, right? So they built another product called Kernel, which is designed to be BNBChain's flagship restaking solution. Okay, so yeah, this is a very new product, and that explains why a lot of these features are coming soon. Okay, but we will look at the features that are now available. The biggest asset and biggest pool is obviously ASBNB, right? Click on it, which is Atheros BNB. Now, again, Atheros went through like a rebrand and now they're AsterDex. We'll talk about it a little bit. Listen, if you want to put money in this pool, then you need the ASBNB token. All right, this specific token. If you put that in, you can earn launch pool rewards. Binance has launch pool, so if you put ASBNB into this pool, you don't need to participate on the Binance centralized exchange launch pool anymore. The rewards will automatically be distributed to you in a decentralized way. Very fantastic, right? And the next thing you're gonna get is the 5x AU point, asterisk point. For their airdrop, obviously. So how do you get this ASBNB token to deposit into this pool? Very simple, straightforward. Go to AsterDex, right? Go to that website and you can start depositing. They are a perp dex, but they also have a earn part where this one right here, right? You can earn or mint the ASBNB token. Click on mint by depositing any of these assets. All right, if you have BNB, put it in. If you have Bitcoin, put it in. If you have cake, put it in, right? And you can earn the ASBNB token. These are the rewards that you're gonna get, right? You're gonna get the hodler airdrops and mega drop rewards in the form of more ASBNB, right? That's the launch pool one. You can get up to 30% APY. Amazing, right? Huge. You can also get 5x AU multiplier, okay, for the airdrop, obviously for the points. So yeah, that's it. Very simple, straightforward. Just click on deposit once you have ASBNB, and after you're done with it, you can just withdraw it. Very simple, very fast, right? There are also other pools as well, like Sliz BNB or any of these things. After you stick it in, you can click on portfolio and you can see and monitor all your assets. I don't have any right now, so I don't have anything. After you have the launch pool rewards, you can click on claim token and claim all of the rewards. The next thing and the bigger product is called KELP, which is a one of the top tier restaking protocol on Ethereum. I'm not even lying. This is KELP. Click on restake and you are led to its website, the main D app. The first thing that you need to do is you need to click on liquid restaking and click on restake. This is on Ethereum, by the way. You can also choose other layer 2s too, but I'm going to show you Ethereum. So if you want to stake, then you need one of these three assets: Ethereum X, Ethereum, and ST Ethereum. Like for example, I have like 0.04 Ethereum. I can put in like 0.01. After I click on restake now, what I will get 3.6% APR. That is the rewards that I get for restaking in it. And I would get RS Ethereum token. I can also take this RS Ethereum token and I can do more with it. For example, I can go to GAIN, right, which is the third product of KELP, right? I can go to GAIN and I can click on Alt the Vault and I can choose any of these vault to put my RS Ethereum in and even earn more rewards. So for example, click on this vault and look at that. If I have RS Ethereum, I can just put it in and I would earn 14.5% APR. So they diversify your portfolio for you. You don't have to do it and they monitor it for you. That is why it is called, look at that, automated vaults on Ethereum, right? It's all done by smart contracts and whatnot. You don't have to do anything else. Beautiful. Keep in mind, this video is not financial advice. Do whatever it is that you want to do, but just be careful and consider what is the best for you at the moment. So that's basically the products of KernelDAO, right? All three amazing products, putting them at the top list of restaking protocols cross-chain, okay? Now, the next thing we need to look at is we need to look at the Kernel token. They have a very beautiful breakdown of how this works, and I think that like more protocols should follow KernelDAO and be very transparent. Okay, so the basics of the Kernel token is this: they have 1 billion kernel as supply. The initial circular supply when listed on Binance Spot is going to be around 16.23%, in which the Megadrop token reward is going to be 40 million, about 4%. Okay, there's going to be additional 40 million kernel to be allocated to other marketing campaigns in 6 months after spot listing. Here's the distribution breakdown: 5% for ecosystem fund, 20% for private sale, 20% for the team, and 55% for the community and rewards. Now, this is why I said that more protocols should be as transparent as KernelDAO, because they're not stopping here. Different protocols that I've reviewed on this video, on this channel, they just stop here and they're not clarifying like what they spend 55% on. But not KernelDAO, they like very transparent about everything. So within this 55% for community and airdrops, 20% for airdrops across multiple seasons. And they even break it down even more detailedly. Look at that. Airdrop seasons. There are 3 seasons in total, right? So the first season until December 31st, 24, 10% of total supply. Beautiful. Right. The second season is January 1st to April 30th. So I think you still have time. Yeah, you still have like a month left, which will be allocated 5% of a total supply, additional 15% for restaking before Jan 15, 2025. And the final season is to be updated, right? Which is going to be 5% of the total supply, extra 15% loyalty boost upon restaking in season 1. Look at that. They break down everything very nicely and very transparently about the airdrops, which is a must, okay, for every protocol. I love KernelDAO, all right? And then the remaining 35% of this 55% is going to be future rewards to incentivize ecosystem engagement. So maybe more marketing campaigns or whatnot, right? Ecosystem partners 5%, right? Like market making and on-chain liquidity, cool. Private sale, obviously completed upcoming strategic sales. Team and advisor 20% with a 24-month vesting period, following a 6-month lockup post TGE. The utilities for Kernel is this, right? The core utilities, 3: governance, obviously. Restaking, where users can restake kernel to provide shared economic security for the kernel ecosystem, middleware, and decentralized applications. The third utility is for the rewards. You can earn staking rewards from partner protocols and middleware. There are going to be expanded utilities where you can provide liquidity and insurance mechanisms for future use case. So it's not applied currently, I think. Kernel staking will support an insurance layer to safeguard against slashing events in RS Ethereum and kernel. Interesting. Use cases in the ecosystem. First is the KELP RRT. Kernel plays a role in securing 2 billion plus TVL with RS Ethereum, one of Ethereum's largest liquid restaking token. Indeed, kernel infrastructure, and then GAIN partnerships integrations as well. Talking about partnerships, Kernel has an amazing lineup of backers and VCs. Kernel secures Binance Labs funding to redefine restaking on BNBChain. Amazing new $10 million from Binance Lab, SCB Limited, Laser Digital, Bankless Venture, Hypersphere, Cyber, HTX, and GSR, DFT Labs, and Long Hash Venture and whatnot, right? So amazing people right here. $10 million secure. So that's it about my brief review about KernelDAO. Let's move on to the next thing, which is the official KernelDAO Megadrop and how you can participate. Very easy. Just click on this announcement. Again, the link can be found in the description, and use that link for 20% off of the trading fees for life. Thank you guys very much. The Megadrop is basically individuals, right, trying to get as much scores as they can to get a bigger share of the pot. Just lock your BNB in a simple earn. The more you lock, the more points you're going to get. And the second thing is complete the quest. All right, if you complete the quest, you get a multiplier and a bonus. That's it. The last thing that we're going to be looking into is going to be predicting the price of kernel after being on Binance. Let's go. Before predicting the price of kernel, we have to look at a few things: the market dynamics, the restaking narrative, and the similar protocols. So first of all, the market dynamics. Right now, the market is not looking too good. I mean, Bitcoin is at $85,000, Ethereum is at $1,900, BNB is at about $600, and Trump has been going crazy with all this tariffs war. I don't know when he's gonna stop. So obviously the market is in a very bearish momentum at the moment, not looking too good for launches. If you look at recent Binance launches as well, all the tokens are going relatively down, performing relatively poorly, right? So don't expect too much when it comes to kernel price action. Okay, I think it's gonna follow a similar trend of a downward thing. All right, so that's first. The second thing is about the restaking narrative. Is it still hot? Is it still big? Not as what it used to be in 2024. Okay, we gotta admit Ethereum is in a big trouble right now, right? The layer 2s are sucking the fees dry out of Ethereum, right? Not contributing. The founders are going crazy, meowing to a freaking dog robot. Vitalik, what is going on, right? And people are just flooding Ethereum left and right. So yeah, restaking, I haven't seen a lot of, or like haven't heard a lot of people talking about restaking for months now. All right, so it is definitely not a hot trend at the moment. And finally, looking at the similar protocols to kernel, we have SolV, right? SolV was also on the Binance Megadrop, right? It's also doing like restaking, mostly on Binance Smart Chain and Bitcoin restaking, right? So not really Ethereum restaking, but still restaking regardless, right? And if you look at the price of SolV, look at that, right? So after on Binance, it went, I wouldn't say terribly, but I mean you can be the judge of that, right? It lost quite a lot of, it lost about 80% of their value. All right, crazy. So it started out, I believe the FTV of SolV after on Binance was about 1.3 or like 1 billion, around 1 or more than $1 billion in FTV, and now the FTV is about $300 million. Okay, so not looking too good. For my official price prediction for kernel after on Binance, I expect this token to be at around, first of all, the bearish case is at about 60 to 70 cents, which translates to about $600 to $700 million in FTV, a bearish case. the middle case is going to be at around 8 to $900 million in FTV, which is about 80 to 90 cents per token, and the bullish case is about 1 to $1.1, which is $1 billion to $1.1 billion in FTV. But personally, I am more leaning towards the bearish and the middle case, where it's gonna be hovering around 7 to like $900 million in FTV, and it's gonna be like a downward trend to probably to like 6 or even $500 million in FTV in the following days. And that is my video doing a quick research on KernelDAO and price prediction. Let me know down in the comments what you think about the price of Kernel after being listed on Binance. And if you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe to Crypto Ninjas. All of your likes and comments help a lot to grow this channel and creating even more contents like this. Thank you guys very much, and make sure to use our referral link for 20% off of the trading fees on Binance. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Daily out.